Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to be looking at how to enter binary trade signals, especially on pocket option. Now I'm going to be quick about this without beating about the bush. Okay, now how do the signals appear? Now the signals appear in this form for those who are already in the for those who are yet to join the Telegram channel where those free signals are dropped. They appear in this form. You will see something like, we are looking at two instances. Okay, they appear in this form. The first thing it will give to you guys is the time frame. The time frame in this case, in the first instance, is 3 minutes. Okay, so he will say the expiration time is 3 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever. All right, then the next thing is to release the currency pair, which is what you are seeing at the top. Okay, in this case is Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. All right, then he will release the direction of the trade. In this case it is up. Okay, now let's enter this trade. I'm going to use demo. So the first thing you do is to set the time frame, because the time frame is what he releases first. So the time frame here is 3 minutes. Okay, so you come over here, this place, you click on it. You select 3 minutes. This 3 minutes. You select it. Just click on it. That's all. You are done with time frame. You have set the time frame now, because that's what you will first of all release. If you said 2 minutes, select 2 minutes. If you said 15 seconds, select 15 seconds. Whatever he said, okay? But in this case, he said 3 minutes. All right? Just remember, I'm using this as a case study. So it said 3 minutes, you select 3 minutes. Next is to select the currency pair. So the currency pair he released is Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, which is this one, OTC. Okay, so you go back to your trade. You have to be very fast when you are entering trades like this. You have to be very fast, because these trade signals, especially in binary options, they are very very time sensitive. They are very time sensitive. So once he releases it, enter it immediately. Don't delay a bit. Okay, so Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, CAD, JPY. So you come over here at the top where you have currency pair. You click that place. Then quickly look for CAD, JPY, OTC. You can see it over here. You can see it over here. You quickly click on it. Okay, so you are done clicking on it. The next thing you do is say up. Sometimes he will say down, but in this very first instance he said up. Okay, up. So you go back to your trade, and you click on higher. Higher means up. Okay, when it says down, down means lower. So in this case it said up, so higher. So immediately you click on higher. You see, it says trade order has been placed. Do you understand? And before you do all of this, after you've set your time frame, what you set next is your trading capital or your trading amount. Okay, this one is your own choice. You set whatever you want, okay, as your trading capital for that very trade. Do you understand? So I didn't include this, but let me just say it at this point, is what you choose, okay, as your trading capital. So this is how you enter your trade, and you allow it to run. If you want to check the trading history, I mean how the trade is going, you just click over here where you have trade. Click on it. So this is the trade under open order. Can you see the trade is still running? See the time. You have about 1 minute and 48 seconds left. Can you see it over there? So the trade is still running. Remember, it's a 3 minutes time frame trade. Okay, so that's that for CADJPY in the direction of in the up direction, up. Okay, or higher. The direction is higher or up. Okay, or upward, any one you like. So let's look at the second instance. The second instance says the signal says 2 minutes time frame. The currency pair is Euro USD OTC. Can you see it? Then the direction of this very trade is down. All right. So, like I said, he releases the time frame first, then he will release the currency pair, then he will release the direction of the trade. In this case, now the direction of the trade is down. Okay. So what you do next is quickly you enter the time frame 2 minutes. So as usual, you come over here where you have time, click on it, and select 2 minutes. There's no 2 minutes, just select 1 minute. Okay. Then increase it to 2 minutes by clicking on this plus sign here. Do you understand? So this 2 minutes, you are done. So you are done with time frame, okay? So you set the time frame first, and of course you've already make sure you have already set your amount that you're going to trade with, okay? Next is to enter the currency pair, which is Euro USD OTC. You come over here at the top, you click on that drop down icon, which I just circled. Then you quickly look for Euro USD. Don't forget I said you have to be fast. This is just a video showing you how to do this. But while you are doing it yourself, you have to be very, very fast, because the trade signals are time sensitive, okay? So this Euro USD OTC, you click on it. All right, next is to check the time. To check the direction of the trade. The direction of the trade says down, okay? So meaning lower. So what you are to click now is lower. So you come over here, quickly you click on lower. All right, lower. And that's it, you are done. Do you understand? Oh, I made a mistake. I clicked lower twice, but no problem. But in your own case, please don't make this kind of mistake. Just click on lower once, all right? So that's it. You are done with that very trade. So you allow it to play out, because it's a 2 minutes expiration time frame, all right? So once the 2 minutes elapses, the outcome of the trade will show up, whether in profit or in loss, all right? It will show up. You can see it over here. There will be an increment here, all right? But aside that, just click at this bottom left hand side where you have trade. Bottom left hand side where you have trade, click on it. Then you will see your live trade running, and you will see the time that is left for the trade to close, okay? Then if the trade has already closed and you want to check if you are in profit or not, just click on this closed here. Then once you click on that closed, then you'll see the trades that you've taken so far, okay? So you can check if they were in profit or if they were in losses. This one was in profit, okay? You can see the green, all right? This one was in loss because it is 0, 0. This is a loss, all right? This is another loss, 0, 0. This trade were lost, okay? These ones were in profit, plus green. These ones are green. They are in profit, okay? But these ones that that are showing 0, 0 is a lost trade, okay? But the ones that are showing green both sides means you made profit, all right? The ones that are showing 0, 0 both sides means you made a loss. I hope you understand. So I hope this trade was helpful. Now, what you have to keep in mind is you have to be very fast. That is the most important thing here. You have to be very fast when entering the trade signals in binary options, okay? Very fast. As soon as he releases the signals, immediately, within a split seconds, make sure you have entered that trade. I hope you understand. Time is of essence when it comes to binary options, okay? So make sure you subscribe to this channel and keep an eye for our next videos, all right? So cheers, guys, and have a good day.